What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. Now, what do we have here on capital.com? I'm going to go through Nemex and Owanda in a second. So, as you can see, the price rejected from this anchor, forms this bullish candle right here. Now, that is not an engulfing candle, but shows a good buying pressure and rejection from this area. Now, we are still not bearish and we are still intact with an uptrend, looking at this bullish candle and this pin bar here as well. The only hurdle is 20 EMA. Once we have broken above and close above 20 EMA, we have a very good chance the price will then push up to this first top, which is right here, or hit this level of next resistance, and a rejection box which is 3.085 goes to 3.139, from where we can start to see some sort of good pullback before the continuation towards the upside. So we are still intact, not selling as long as we are still above this little anchor level, which is right here. As you can see, the numbers in blue. I will only go for sell trades once we are completely broken below 50 EMA and this anchor as well. Once we have that, then we will become short-term bearish, and I'll start to look for my bearish trade short-term till the price get to my level of support, which is right here, which I'm going to keep you guys informed as well. For now, once broken above and close above 20 EMA, which is the hurdle, we have a good chance the price will then shoot up to this level right here. Now I'm looking at NG2 and NG1. So I'm not sure which one you guys are looking at. Here on NG1, the contract is November and December, and NG2 a contract is December and January. So that's what I'm looking at here. It looks similar on both of them, but do let me know in the comment section what contract are you looking at. But as usual, I'm looking here on NG1 contracts. Now we are in the level of minor resistance, not a major one. I'm still looking at this level right here for the price to get to and possibly reject from here. As long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA, I'm only looking for bullish trades. If we have a good pullback, let's say we have a gap fill in a process of a pullback, and price forms a bullish Engulfor above 50 EMA, that will be another buy signal. So I'm only looking for buy trades. I'm also expecting some good pullbacks followed by bullish engulfing patterns. So I'm not selling as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA, but instead I'm just looking for my pullbacks followed by bullish Engulfor buy trades till the price head to my level of resistance, which is right here for my next possible sell trades. So only pullback I'm looking for here on Nemex platform. Now here on Owanda, like I mentioned, I want to see a complete break and close below these lows, good momentum below 50 EMA, only then I start to look for the bearish trades short term till we are here, from where I'll start to look for a double bottom pattern. So that's what I'll be looking at, not looking for bearish trades as long as we are still intact. And if you look here on a daily time frame, we are still above 50 EMA, and if you look here on a weekly time frame, we have a good bullish engulfing candle right here on Owanda, here on capital.com, and here on Nemex platform. All that happens above 50 EMA on all three platforms. Now looking at that in long term, I'm still bullish for net gas. I'm still looking at the price to shoot higher in a long term, looking at this good bullish engulfing candle on a weekly time frame. But on a short term, on a smaller time frame, we can see some pullbacks before the price will push up. And this is an area, the blue zone, that was already mentioned yesterday, an area from where I will looking to enter either a double bottom if the price get to my zone below, or once we are broken below this low, I will start to look for my bearish pullback entry short term, and right here I'll exit, look for my next entry condition. So we are still bullish long term, but on a small time frame, if you have a bearish condition, I will go short, but we are still not completely bearish as we are still intact within this range, not broken below yet. Gold has now broken above, like I mentioned yesterday. Either we're going to look for the double top, which we did not get, but we have broken above. Now 1.618 retracement was still in the play. I've been mentioning that in every single video, that aggressive entry has been triggered and we are still heading towards 1.618 retracement, like I mentioned even in my live session, and we are now broken above without having any sell condition. So all I'm looking at are possible pullbacks that is expected. Looking at silver, we are now broken above with a solid candle. That was also mentioned. Once we are broken above with a solid candle, the price will start to push up, and I'm expecting a price to push up to these recent highs, from where I'll start to see some rejection. In that rejection, we can also start to see a pullback. With that, if we have a bullish engulfer, I will go long here on gold and on silver as well. As now we are broken above, once we have a good pullback, good push up, and if we are broken above this high, then pullback, entry bullish only. But once we are here, if we reject say, I will look for the sell condition if we have a double top pattern or not. So we are still bullish, but we must see this area to see a possible rejection with a bearish condition to take your sell trades and then a continuation trades above 50 EMA. So that's what I'll be looking at for gold and silver. Still bullish, but expect some pullbacks out of both of them. So lastly, we have crude oil. Looking at capital.com as well, we have a double bottom pattern here on capital.com, happens at the area of support. The support area was mentioned yesterday. As you can see, it is an area in blue. So looking at that, I'm expecting some bounce from it till 50 EMA. If you have a rejection at 50 EMA and bearish Engulfor, I'm going to go short here and look for another buy condition within this area, which I've just mentioned. So keep an eye, possible double bottom and possible push up is expected from crude oil. Now here on Owanda, if you look here on a daily time frame, right here, if I readjust my zone, something like this, using some discretion, that is also in the zone. But we do not have any condition. But here on Owanda, if you're looking at, look for a valid double bottom pattern. If you have that, expect a bounce out of that. But we do have a signal here on capital.com if you're following that platform. From here, from 50 EMA, I'm only looking for bearish trade if we have a bearish engulfing pattern. So expect a bounce, then a bearish engulfer if we have below 50 EMA to take your sell trades just for short term. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.